How to set up the KE3 smartwatch. That's the military type flashlight smartwatch here. If you have this one here and you want to connect this with a Android phone. So first things first, to actually get this to set up, you'll need to make sure you install the app known as Fit Cloud Pro. And once you're done with that here, you'll now want to first connect the smartwatch using the Bluetooth settings. So first go into your Android phone Bluetooth settings. You can use the quick access here and long press the Bluetooth settings here. And as you're here, you will select the option that says pair new device. So go ahead and tap on that and it's going to start searching for nearby wireless devices and you'll wait for your smartwatch to show up. Once your smartwatch shows up like this here, you will see the KE3 option. Also note that the KE3 watch will always have the Bluetooth settings on. So once you see it here, you'll tap on it here. It's going to say pairing and you'll get the request to pair it up. So go ahead and tap on pair and you'll see that it is connecting and it's active. Now this is going to happen and that's because you need to actually fully set up the watch itself. And to fully set it up, this is the time when you would go into the Fit Cloud app itself. So tap on that once here. And of course, you'll need to go through the prompts and give it permission to certain things. So you will need to agree to it. And you don't really need to create an account. You can just go use without account here. Then you'll see this here. And of course, for this part here, you will need to go ahead and put these information in order to proceed. So go ahead and do that. Once you set it up here, you can also change the name and add a pic profile or do that later. Press next now here and you'll get all these other options to go through and just press OK for this one here. You will need to enable this for nearby devices and you'll need to allow it to search for new nearby devices. So this part here, basically it's going to search and look for the nearest compatible smartwatch. You'll see the KE3 one here, and you're basically binding it, or also known as syncing the smartwatch with the app. So when you see this here, press connect and just wait for it to finish connecting. You will also see the smartwatch will give you a prompt here and you will need to accept the request. So press the check mark. It's going to say binding and it will show you that the bind has been successful if you've done everything correctly. And once you're done with all that here now, your watch is now fully connected to the Bluetooth. You'll see it up here and also with the app. So this is how you would go about doing this. And I would recommend you use the app to get the best use of the smartwatch here, like and sub.